that I'm playing. Boop. Boop. It just told me to play this game, so I'm gonna play it. Okay, let's race. So the whole point of this game is you have to crash into other cars. But I don't know why I was starting the end. I know they're all bots, but they're very bad at this game. I am so not there. No one's everywhere. I would have to concentrate. It's very hard. Oh man, I'm in third place. I don't like this one. That's fun. Not that fun. We should play something else. Let's see. Let's play something else. Guys. I don't know if you could see my games. I'm gonna check.